Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video and a couple of project shares. So let's get started. So first of all, from Dollar Tree, I picked up this really cute stem set. And you can see it has several different images on it, but I picked it up for this right here. I wanted to use that on my cards, maybe especially at Valentine's Day. And so I stamped it out, and it stamps really nice on a envelope. So I thought that would be really cute. I mean, I want to use it on my envelopes. I said cards. Envelope. So that was from Dollar Tree. I also picked up these feathers. I don't know why. When I got them home, I realized I didn't really care for them, the paper that they used. So this will probably be either going in a giveaway or upcoming garage sale that I'm going to have. So, got those. From Amazon, I'm not sure who I was watching here on YouTube, but they showed this rosette maker. And I thought, wow, that's cool. You can use ribbons to make a rosette. So I ordered it off of Amazon, fairly inexpensive. And you get the actual device to make the rosette, and then a couple of circles to stick to the rosette once you complete it. And guys, I don't know, I just couldn't get this to look nice. I tried 4 or 5 times. I'm gonna give it one more try before I give up on it, but it was very difficult for me. I was watching the video, and I think watching the video being left-handed, it was kind of hard for me to understand what they were doing at first, but then I got it. But I don't know, I just couldn't get my rosette to look cute. So anyway, this is by Clover, the rosette maker. And then I picked up some dies off of AliExpress. So I'm not sure if I ordered this die or this was a giveaway, because it was just like randomly in the bag, just like it was thrown in there. And it's a little cat, and I did die cut it out, and it's super cute. I don't know, for some reason it reminds me of a mouse, but it's a cat, a little black cat with her tail, like she's sitting on something with her tail hanging down, or his tail. And then I picked up this bow die. So in this die you get 2 sets of bows with, 3 sets of bows with different tails. This is how they come. Sorry about my lighting. It's super hot outside, so I got the windows all closed up, and I'm only going by my little lamp here, and it's causing a big glare, and my monitor on my computer. So here is the big one, and it's cute with that different tail on it. And then the medium-sized one, I didn't put a tail on it. And this is just cut out with paper that was just, on my table, and I just grabbed it. And then the little tiny one, which I think is super adorable. I really like that one. Isn't that cute? Cute little bow. Cute. So that was the bow die. And then I picked up this girl die. She has an afro. And then this is her earring. And I cut her out and made her a little card. Isn't that cute? I love the detail with her eyelashes. The girls are wearing like super long eyelashes nowadays. And here's another one. And I just used some marble paper, and I put a couple of Nouveau drops on it that I had in my stash, the paper. So super cute. Super cute. And then I really was waiting on this die, and this was the little Volkswagen bug die everyone had been hauling. It seemed like it took forever for me to get it, and I finally got it. And about the time I got it, I think I had lost interest or something. I don't know. But here's the little cut out. Let me get another piece of paper so you can see it a little better. Oh, can't see the tires, huh? Well, I was smart. Sorry. How about that? So it's super cute. It has a lot of pieces in it. It has luggage that goes on top. I didn't cut that out because I was tired and lazy. But isn't it adorable? So cute. And then I wanted to cut it out kind of not so cutesy with bright colors. And I thought this would be cute maybe around Halloween time, this color. Lots of pieces to this one. I don't know. I think I may be getting a little tired of the AliExpress dies with all the pieces. Because as I said, I didn't cut out the luggage. And one piece I couldn't even identify what it was. So anyway, super cute though. I can't wait to use it on a card. And I will share that with you once I make a card with that. And then I have a couple of cards that I want to share. It's a super small haul. I'm trying not to buy things. It's like every time I watch a YouTube video, someone's doing a haul, I buy something that they ordered, and it's just like, I gotta stop. My poor little craft room. So I made this birthday card. This is for my sister. Her birthday's coming up, and this is using the Prima Diamond Collection. One of the things that I really didn't like, and I didn't notice it until after I glued the paper down, was that some of the ephemera is kind of off a little bit. I mean, it's okay. She won't notice that probably. She'll just think the card is cute. And I'm going to put some bling on it to kind of give it a little bit more pizzazz. I haven't really been in a creative mood lately. I think it's been so hot. Plus, I got a lot going on with my job right now. And I just haven't been really focused. I did, however, I want to share with you guys some tags that I made last week. I don't have an actual tag. I already mailed them out. But look at the tags I made for a class reunion. Aren't those cute? And then I used some curly ribbon. It's kind of hard to tell. There you go. You can see it. But this is just the sample that I sent the person who I was making them for. I was so excited to get done with these, and I just got them out of here. I melted them without even taking really good picture. So I asked her to please send me a picture of the whole bag when it's completed. Also, I wanted to use my, I think it's Obed Marshall's collection with the I can't think of the collection name right now, but I wanted to make some embellishment. This is something that I struggle with, layering, and for some reason I wanted to make a few little embellishments, and I don't know, like I say, I am in awe with people who can, the crafters who can make embellishments, and I don't know, it's something about when I see a bunch of stuff and stack it on, I don't like mine. I don't like doing it. I like seeing it, but I don't like doing it. But I did, however, make a couple of cards with the embellishments that I made, and this is just some cardstock I used here from my stash, and I just cut out a circle of flower type thing, and then I used my hole punch on the paper from the collection, and then this is a dimensional sticker, and then some ephemera. I just made this super simple card, and this is paper from the collection too, and then I made this card here. I think it's cute. It's okay. It's kind of simple. I love that split heart like that. It's really pretty. So this is what I've made the last few weeks, couple of weeks, along with the gift bag tags for the graduation celebration. So kind of out of camera there. There you go. So that's what I've made. Thank you for watching the channel. This video, I really appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know which item you thought was kind of cute. Kind of encourage me maybe to step out of my comfort zone and make some embellishments. I don't know. We'll see. So you guys have a nice afternoon or evening or morning or whenever you watch this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.